In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Xero account. Let's start by firing up your internet browser and navigating over to Xero.com. This is the very first step on our journey to set up your Xero account. And it's straightforward enough, much like typing in any other web address you might be familiar with. Once you're on the Xero homepage, keep a lookout for a button that says Free Trial or Try Xero for free. This is your gateway to get started with Xero at no cost for a limited period, so go ahead and give that button a click. Now Xero will ask for some basic personal information, so enter your first name, last name, and your email address. Take care to double check your email address to ensure its accuracy. A minor misspelling might cause you to miss important messages from Xero, including the activation email, which is crucial for setting up your account. After entering your personal details, you will need to specify your location. There will be a drop-down menu where you can select your country. This step is important as it helps Xero tailor certain aspects of the service to better accommodate your region's regulations and practices. With your personal information and location entered, take a moment to find the Get Started or Start Free Trial button and click it. Pressing this button is like crossing a threshold into the world of Xero, marking your official entry into their setup process. At this point, Xero will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. So, open up your email inbox to find an email from Xero. Sometimes, emails can mistakenly be routed to your spam folder, so if it's not in your inbox, check there too. Once you find the email, click on the link that says Activate Your Account. This action confirms your email address and solidifies your place on Xero's platform. After clicking the activation link, it's time to create a strong password for your Xero account. Select something memorable for you, but difficult for others to guess. Remember, the more complex your password, the more secure your account will be. Following password creation, make sure to click on Activate Account to finalize your registration. After activation, Xero will prompt you to enter your organization details. This step involves filling out your business name, among other optional fields. Don't sweat it if you're not ready with every detail just yet. You can edit this information later. Once you've entered the necessary information, click Continue to proceed. Here's a good piece of news. Xero offers a 30-day free trial. This means you can dive deep into exploring the features, adding invoices, connecting bank accounts, and inviting users to collaborate with you on the platform. When you feel ready to commit beyond the trial period, upgrading to a paid plan is simple. Navigate to the billing section and check under subscription to make your choice. With these steps, you're now prepared to step into the realm of Xero and leverage a powerful accounting solution. Thanks for following along, and happy accounting.